Let's talk about squats. You see them everywhere, but most people do them wrong, and that's why knee pain is so common. It's rarely the squat itself that causes pain, it's bad technique. Think of your knees like door hinges. If you move them the wrong way, they'll break down fast. Bad squat form puts sideways pressure on your knees, which wears down the joint. Many people give up on squats thinking their body isn't built for it, when really, they just need better form. Today, we're going to break down the squat step by step so you can do it safely and with confidence. Forget about speed, reps, or weight for now. Let's focus on the basics. The journey to a perfect squat starts with knowing what not to do. That sharp pain in your knees or your lower back. That's your body's alarm bell. We'll learn to listen, fix the root cause, and build a strong foundation. By the end, you'll have the confidence and knowledge to squat safely, build strength, and protect your joints. Ready to change your squat and your fitness for the better? Let's get started. Why are squats so popular? Because they're a powerful exercise that works many muscles at once. Every time you sit down or pick something up, you're basically doing a squat. It's a basic human movement. Getting better at squats means making everyday life easier and your body stronger. The main muscles that work are your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Your core muscles, your abs and lower back, also work to keep you steady. One move, a complete lower body and core workout. Squats also help you get better at balancing, coordinating your movements, and being flexible, especially in your hips and ankles. A lot of pain comes from not moving through your full range of motion. Squats fix that, but only if your technique is correct. Bad technique means your joints take the pressure, not your muscles. That's where the pain comes from, not from the squat itself, but from how you're doing it. Learn the right way to do it, and you'll get stronger, while keeping your joints safe. That's why mastering the squat is so important. Before you squat, getting ready is super important. Start with your feet about shoulder width apart, maybe a little wider if you need more balance. Point your toes out a little, like they're pointing to 11 and 1 on a clock. Now for your body, chest up, shoulders back and down, and your back straight. Keep your head in a comfy spot, looking straight ahead at something in front of you. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head up. This helps keep your spine long. To help you balance, stick your arms straight out in front of you, at shoulder height. Your arms act like a counterweight, helping you keep your chest up. Quick check feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing out, chest up, shoulders back, spine long, arms out. Take a few seconds to get ready. This makes every squat safer and better. Don't rush your setup, it's the base for good form. Once you're all set, you're ready to move. Let's get into the squat. You're all set up. Now let's get into the movement. Start the squat by pushing your hips back, not your knees forward. Imagine you're sitting down onto an invisible chair behind you. As you lower, take a deep breath in. This helps tighten your core and protect your spine. Keep your chest up, your back straight, and your eyes looking forward. Don't let your chest fall or your back round. Your knees should line up with your toes. Don't let them cave in. Actively push your knees out a little as you go down. Lower yourself until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor, or as low as you can go with good form. If you can't go that low yet, that's totally fine. Quality over depth. To recap: hips back, breathe in, chest up, knees out, controlled descent. Now you're at the bottom of the squat, ready to push back up. Remember, technique comes first. Never sacrifice it for depth. With practice, your range of motion will get better. Let's get you back up. Time to power up. Push through your heels and the middle of your feet, like you're pushing the floor away. Squeeze your butt muscles at the bottom to help you move. Your hips and chest should come up together. Don't let your hips pop up first. This keeps your lower back safe. As you stand up, breathe out strongly. Breathe in on the way down. Breathe out on the way up. Keep your back straight and your chest up until you're standing all the way. Don't relax until you're standing completely straight. At the top, stand tall and squeeze your butt muscles for a second. This finishes the move and makes your butt muscles work their hardest. Key points: push through your heels, squeeze your butt, chest and hips come up together, breathe out on the way up. That's a perfect squat. Now let's keep building on that. Even with good instructions, mistakes still happen. Let's fix the 3 most common mistakes. First, a rounded back. This often means you're squatting too deep or letting your chest drop. Fix it by keeping your chest up and your eyes looking straight ahead. Think proud chest. Second, knees caving in or knees knocking. This puts stress on your knees and often means weak glutes. Focus on pushing your knees out, in line with your toes. Try using a resistance band above your knees for feedback. It forces your glutes to work. Third, heels lifting off the floor. This means you're leaning too far forward or your calves are tight. Keep your whole foot flat, grip the floor with your toes, and push through your heels. If needed, raise your heels slightly with a small plate or book while you work on your ankle flexibility. Fixing these three things, chest up, knees out, feet flat, will transform your squat. It makes the movement safer, more comfortable, and more effective. Don't just go up and down, move with control and perfect technique. Focus on these cues with every single rep. Small adjustments make a big difference. Build good habits now for long-term strength. Knowing the theory is one thing, knowing if you're doing it right is another. Use a mirror as your personal coach. Face the mirror to check your knee alignment. Your knees should line up with your toes, not cave in. Watch your feet, your heels should stay flat. Turn sideways to the mirror to check your back and your squat depth. Your spine should stay straight, chest up, and hips back. Watch for butt wink. If your lower back rounds at the bottom, don't go that deep. It's better to squat shallow with perfect form than deep with bad form. Do slow, controlled reps, watching your reflection. Be honest, the mirror doesn't lie. Small adjustments now will build muscle memory for perfect squats. Use this tool every time you work out. You've learned the main ideas, now let's put them into practice. The goal is to practice perfect form, not to do the most reps or lift the heaviest weight. Quality is better than quantity, especially for beginners. Here's your first squat workout. 3 sets, 10 reps, then 12 reps, then 15 reps. Rest for 60 seconds between each set. For each rep, focus on the cues. Hips back, chest up, breathe in on the way down, knees out, push through your heels, squeeze your glutes, breathe out on the way up. Go slow and with purpose. Don't rush it. If your form breaks down, stop and write down your best reps. Aim to improve next time. Learning to squat correctly will make you stronger, safer, and more confident. Be proud. You've built a foundation for lifelong fitness, but there's still more to learn. We'll tackle 5 more subtle squat mistakes in the next lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next workout. Great job. Keep moving forward. If you found these squat tips helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Your support motivates me to share even more useful knowledge.